this is Paul Tommy with Champions Realty. I'm excited to tell you about my newest listing at 6670 Springlake Drive, Columbus, Georgia 31909. This is located in northeast Columbus, Georgia, near I-185 and JR-Allen Parkway. You can get most anywhere in Columbus within 25 minutes. This property has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, corner lot, side loader, 2-car garage, and fenced backyard. Look at the description below for all the specifications and further details. Thank you and have the best day ever. This property has some extensive renovations. Ask for the seller's disclosure with a list of all the repairs and upgrades. We took all the flooring out and the carpet and all the other floorings and tiles. House has new LVP wall-to-wall. All the new paint job inside is Sherwin-Williams agreeable gray with Greek Villa trim. We did some extensive fixture and light upgrades, all new can lights in the kitchen, the family room. That's the guest bathroom in the hallway. It's bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. They're on the front of the house. That's the master bedroom on the right rear corner of the house, a large size master bedroom. The bathroom has 2 separate vanities, new toilet, new light fixtures. There's a nice size walk-in closet off that area as well. That's a bonus room off the kitchen. This is the steam sauna with bedroom number 3, new vanity, new toilet. This is another view of the 4th bedroom on the left rear of the house. That's the guest bathroom in the hallway. Rear view of the house, all brick, new roof, some additional azaleas planted in the backyard, new bay window, 2 new windows for the garage. Did some other planting and some other landscaping. Front view of the house. Side view with a side loader garage, fenced backyard, corner lot. Part of Springlake subdivision. Has an HOA, $500 a year currently. Pool, tennis court, pickleball court, cookhouse, and large, about an 8 or 9 acre lake, fishing lake. Great northeastern location off Weems and Moon Road. Pool is used and the clubhouse is used for parties, Hale Farewell, and a lot of the community events as well. Tennis courts are lighted as well. If you'd like to see this property, you can make arrangements with your agent to see this property. It's going to have a center key lockbox for the Columbus MLS. Or you can contact Paul Tommy at the number on the screen, 762-822-6411, or look at the number on the screen from my office. Thank you and hope you have the best day ever. Welcome to Columbus and Fort Moore.